Greetings, Tony from Old River Hardgoods again. Down to Kutztown, and looking kind of iffy. Oh, light mist on the road. Well, it would be a beautiful fall day if it wasn't for the precipitation. So, anyways, I'm going to keep on trucking, and we'll see what's going to happen. Stuff. Gotta do my parking thing here. Well, standing in line waiting to get in. A few people set up, so hopefully we can score some goodies, but who knows, right? As you can see, it's pretty light here. Getting ready to head up in the pavilions already. Lots of people on the inside since it started misting outside. Yeah, I didn't find nothing much in here. One good piece over in the other building, but it's definitely going to be tough paying for this trip.
Do you think it's going to be okay?
Did you get me in the picture?
Lots of the cast iron guys are here. Well, it started misting here about 9:30 and rained a bit. Now it's about 10:30 and I'm done. Managed to get a few things. I mean, I'll pay for the gas and some of the time involved, but you know, now for the always fun-filled and exciting ride back to the shop. So off we go. Well, we're back here at the shop, so let's take a quick look at what I got. Well, as you can imagine, pickings weren't exactly stellar, but you know, what are you going to do, right? I did get a Yankee, number 131A, in the box. The box is pretty shot. I might not even nuts with it, but the tool's not too bad. Needs some oil, a little TLC, but it's pretty clean. Needs some bits, but I know I got a few of those around here. A Cooper's bung mallet with flexible handle. Those don't show up too often, although I'll probably get ill when I look on eBay to see what the fools have been giving those away for. A original bag powder horn. Again, not in great shape, but just don't find them like I used to. Starrett cabinet scraper with the top handle, which you don't see too often. Neat little crate hammer, marked patented, don't know by whom. A Holt saw set. Tell you what, small items like these guys are few and far between anymore. To get a fairly good center point bit, small center point bit, hopefully that'll clean up. Bradall. Again, these are few and very far between. A 1/4-inch pig sticker mortising chisel blade. A hand forged tap holder or twister bar, take your pick, but that's kind of a nice one. This was probably the find of the day. An 18th century buttonhole chisel. Needs a little TLC, but boy, these things have gotten pretty rare. A plug cutting bit, hand forged from a file. And that's pretty neat if you ask me. A little spanner wrench, adjustable. Small wooden handle turn screw. Again, these have gotten to be pretty hard to come by. A hand forged dibble. You know what a dibble is for. And a kind of sad, tired hand forged sledgehammer. Got some character, but I mean, you know, wrought iron body with steel faces. But the guy kind of made me an offer I couldn't refuse, so what can I say? Hey, you know, all in a day's pickings, right? Well, that's all for this one, folks. I hope you enjoyed my little road trip, my little video, and as always, if you like what you're seeing, please hit that subscribe button to be notified when new ones are posted. As always, thanks for watching, and bye.